So today, this is the first part of making an interactive map, and we're going to be using an SVG file. So if you want more description on the SVG file, I'll link it down in the description below. A video explaining what an SVG is. But an SVG is basically like an image file, and you can actually type SVG syntaxes into your code. I'll show you that later. But for this project, you're going to need to have HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, which is what I like to use the most. So for the SVG, the first step is to download your world map, and you just need to search up world map SVG, and you can see there's a lot of ones. So download the one that you want. I think I chose this one. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I chose this one because this is the one that is best for me. I already downloaded it, so I'll just move on. Once you've downloaded it, if you're using Atom, like the old Atom, like me, it should appear here. If you're using another code editor, you can like drag from your folder into your code file. I think that's how it works. And the next thing we want to do is get our skeleton for HTML, because you can't really code without it. Okay, so for the skeleton, there's a lot of websites out there. You can just search HTML skeleton and they should pop up a lot of people just presenting the HTML skeleton. If you really want to, you can type it out yourself, but I wouldn't recommend doing that if you already have the resources, like you have websites. Anyways, after this, first I really want to like link these two other files because we don't want to do that later. So, and there's like two options. One option is that you can like, obviously I'm not gonna do that in the head, but you can do style and then like that, and then put your style code in here. I don't really like to do that because it gets my code messy. So what I want to do is over here, I'm gonna link it. Whoa. And map. You can link it any way you want, but I really like to use this one because it doesn't get your code messy. You have like separate files. Okay, there we go. Okay, 1 second. I forgot this. I do not know how to spell script, really? Like, imagine not being able to spell script. Okay. And now for the title. This is the title that you hover over the tab and you'll get the title. So, yay. Let's just say interactive map, because that's literally what it is. And now we're going to put in our SVG. And to do that, we open this up. If you didn't open this up before, like you didn't drag it to your folder or like have access to it somewhere over here, you might want to do that now. And basically this has a lot of stuff and paths. And we're not going to worry about it because it's already pre-made for us. So let's just go ahead and copy all of this. And we're going to bring it to here. Whoopsie. And hey. I'm just going to quickly indent all of this because it's bugging me that it's not indented. Not sure if that looks better or not. Oh well. Yeah, that's just what it is. And I'm just gonna make some random spaces here so I know which parts are grouped and which parts are not. And yeah, I think we should paste it right here. And we got this. This is exactly what you should be getting right now, like a bunch of things. And yeah, make sure your thing is like what am I doing? I can just alrighty. We don't need this anymore, and now we can test it. So, go ahead and run it in any way you would like. If you have like a different size screen, like me, or just something like this happens, you did nothing wrong. And if you have the map to fit your screen, that's great. But so in order to fix this, let's go back. We go down here and we make sure we get rid of. To fix this, we can get rid of some things in the SVG, which are, first, get rid of these. Like, if you're using the same thing, they should all have this. So just get rid of this, and get rid of the stroke width, and get rid of the width. And yeah, this should be what it looks like. And now it does fit your screen. You gotta give it that. It fits your screen. If you want, you could do the more complicated way of readjusting this width over and over again. I don't find that very useful because like you're just constantly like, it's a test and repeat thing, and it's really hard to get like something that you're satisfied with. So I just recommend getting rid of this if you don't want to make your life harder. And yeah, we can't really do anything with it right now, but it's a map on our screen. So this is the point that we're sort of going to get to. Like, again, like, this takes styling, and you don't have to do the exact styling as me, but this is what pretty much we're going to end up with. And yes, this is all hard-coded because hard-coded is easier mentally, but not physically. So, yeah, that's our first step of making our map. Which is the HTML. We're pretty much done with the HTML. Nah, we're not even close actually. And this is of course just a little bit of the code. So if you want to see the full code, I'm gonna put my GitHub down in the description below. And also the link, the YouTube links I referenced to in making this. And what an SVG is. So you make sure to check out the description if you're curious on those. And I'll see you later. Bye.